Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to disable Usage and Diagnostics on your Android device. Turning this off can help protect your privacy, reduce background data usage, and even improve battery life. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap on Google. Click on All Services. Next, find and tap on Usage and Diagnostics. If you don't find it, use Settings search bar and tap Usage and Diagnostics. Now you'll see a toggle switch. Simply turn it off to disable data sharing. Once disabled, your device will stop sending diagnostic data to Google, helping to save data and battery life. That's it. You've successfully turned off Usage and Diagnostics. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.